Hello and welcome back. Today, we're breaking down what happened when Venus Williams was involved in a tragic car crash in June 2017 that ultimately led to a wrongful death lawsuit. So this case wasn't just high profile because of her celebrity status. It raised serious questions about traffic law fault and civil liability. So on the day of the crash, Venus was driving through an intersection near her home in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. At the same time, another vehicle driven by Jerome Barson entered the intersection and collided with the side of her SUV. Jerome suffered critical injuries and died about 2 weeks later. Initially, police said Venus was at fault for violating the right-of-way, but after reviewing surveillance footage, they changed course. The video showed that Venus had a green light when she entered the intersection, but was forced to stop midway because another driver ahead of her cut in front. So while she was stopped in the intersection, the Barson's vehicle entered, also on a green light, and hit her SUV. This created a legal gray area. Both drivers had green lights and both appeared to follow the rules of the road. The question became whether Venus was negligent for being stopped in the middle of the intersection and whether she failed to exercise due caution. Jerome Barson's family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Venus, claiming her negligence caused the fatal crash. They sought damages for emotional pain, loss of companionship, medical costs, and funeral expenses. Venus denied any wrongdoing and pointed to the video evidence that supported her version of events. So this case shows how civil liability can exist even when there's no criminal charge. Venus wasn't ticketed or arrested, but in a civil case, the burden of proof is much lower. The key question isn't whether a crime was committed, but whether her actions more likely than not contributed to someone's death. Eventually, the case was settled privately, no amount was disclosed, but confidential settlements are common in celebrity lawsuits. They allow both sides to resolve the matter without the uncertainty and publicity of a trial. So this case reminds us that even a green light doesn't guarantee you're in the clear. In civil court, everything comes down to timing, duty of care, and how your actions, however well-intentioned, may have affected someone else's life. So if you've been involved in a serious accident or lost someone due to another driver's negligence, don't wait to get the answers you need. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation with our team and let us help you understand your rights. And for more real-life legal breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.